Gardeners often look for ways to enrich their soil and give their plants the best possible nutrients. While store-bought fertilizers are an option, many prefer a more natural DIY approach. Two of the most popular homemade solutions are compost and DIY fertilizers made from household ingredients. But which one is better for your garden? In this guide, we'll explore the differences, benefits, and drawbacks of each, giving you the knowledge to make the best choice for your soil and plants. Compost is often called black gold for a reason. It is a natural, nutrient-rich amendment created from decomposed organic matter. Everything from kitchen scraps to yard waste can be transformed into a powerful soil booster through composting. The biggest advantage of compost is its ability to improve soil structure. It enhances moisture retention, aeration, and microbial activity, which all contribute to healthier plants. When compost is added to garden beds, it provides a slow-release source of nutrients, making it an excellent long-term solution for soil fertility. Creating compost is relatively simple. A balance of greens, nitrogen-rich materials like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and grass clippings, and browns, carbon-rich materials like dry leaves, cardboard, and straw is needed. A well-maintained compost pile breaks down over time, producing a rich, dark material that can be mixed into garden soil. However, composting requires patience. Depending on your method, it can take several months for organic materials to fully decompose. Additionally, space constraints and odor concerns may make composting less feasible for some gardeners. Unlike compost, which improves soil structure and releases nutrients gradually, homemade fertilizers offer a more immediate boost. They are typically made from readily available household ingredients and can be tailored to specific plant needs. Whether you need a nitrogen boost for leafy greens or a phosphorus-rich mix for flowering plants, homemade fertilizers provide flexibility. One of the most popular DIY fertilizers is banana peel fertilizer. Rich in potassium and phosphorus, banana peels can be steeped in water to create a nutrient-infused solution for flowering and fruiting plants. Similarly, eggshells provide calcium, which helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Crushed eggshells can be worked into the soil or soaked in water to create a liquid calcium supplement. Another common DIY fertilizer is compost tea. While similar to compost, this liquid fertilizer is made by steeping finished compost in water, creating a fast-acting nutrient boost. Used as a foliar spray or soil drench, compost tea enhances microbial activity and improves plant health. The downside of homemade fertilizers is that they often lack a full range of nutrients. While they can supplement plant nutrition, they may not offer the same long-term benefits as compost. Additionally, some DIY fertilizers, such as those made from food scraps, can attract pests if not used properly. Nutrient availability. Compost provides a slow, steady release of nutrients, while homemade fertilizers deliver immediate but sometimes short-lived boosts. Soil health. Compost improves soil structure, aeration, and water retention, creating a thriving environment for beneficial microbes. Homemade fertilizers, while nutrient-rich, do not enhance soil structure in the same way. Ease of use. Composting takes time and requires space, whereas DIY fertilizers can be made and used almost immediately. Customization. Homemade fertilizers can be tailored to specific plant needs, while compost provides a more balanced but generalized nutrient profile. Long-term versus short-term benefits. Compost is a long-term investment in soil health, while homemade fertilizers work best for immediate nutrient deficiencies. The best approach depends on your gardening goals. If you want to build rich, fertile soil for the long term, compost is the way to go. It enhances soil health and provides a steady nutrient supply. On the other hand, if your plants need an immediate nutrient boost, homemade fertilizers can quickly address deficiencies. A combination of both is often the most effective strategy. Using compost as a soil base and supplementing with targeted homemade fertilizers can ensure that plants receive both immediate and long-lasting nourishment. Both compost and homemade fertilizers have unique benefits, and using them together can maximize your garden's potential. Whether you're enriching your soil with compost or giving plants a quick nutrient boost with DIY fertilizers, the key is understanding what your plants need and how to provide it. For more gardening tips, subscribe to Botanical Bliss and share this guide with fellow gardeners. Let's work together to create thriving, nutrient-rich gardens using natural solutions.